Real estate LLCs or limited liability companies can shield your personal assets while letting you keep control of the profits from your properties. So, what is a real estate LLC? A real estate limited liability company or LLC is a business structure designed for property transactions that separates your personal assets from your business dealings. In the event of legal issues, your personal liability is limited, protecting you from being personally liable. Advantages of forming a real estate LLC. Number one, enhanced liability protections. Benefit number two, tax benefits. Number two, simplified partnership investments. Okay, now let's talk about the downsides of forming a real estate LLC. Number one, risk of triggering the due on sale clause. Limits of liability protection of an LLC. Partial liability protection. Financial considerations of maintaining an LLC. Additional operating costs. Here are the steps to establishing a real estate LLC. Select your business name. Choose a name that reflects your business. Next, appoint a registered agent. The registered agent handles legal correspondence for the LLC. This agent must reside in the state where the LLC is formed. Now, we provide this service in all 50 states. Next, you draft and file the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation detail your LLC's name, purpose, and management structure. Develop an operating agreement. Step number 5, comply with additional state and federal requirements. After filing your LLC documents, you must fulfill other legal requirements to operate your real estate business. These may include obtaining a general business license, applying for an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS, and submitting annual business reports. Requirements vary by state. Final thoughts. In summary, forming a real estate LLC is a smart move for those committed to serious real estate investing. It provides a robust liability protection shield compared to individual or sole proprietorship ownership, and offers more favorable tax advantages than S corporations or C corporations. While the process of establishing an LLC is generally straightforward, state-specific regulations can add complexity.